I am Andrejet M. De La Cruz, Section E003, BSIT. This video talks about the ethical and unethical use of technology. The title is Technology in Action, Making the Right Choice. The first one is ethical. When we say ethical, it tells about acting in ways that are morally acceptable, fair, and respectful of others. These are the example of ethics. Number 1. Respect privacy. Always obtain explicit consent before sharing or storing personal information of the person. It is important to ask for consent to protect individuals. Example, you are asking for their permission to post them on your blog or interview. Guys, so ngayon magtatanong tayo ng mga bata kung kumusta na yung second week ng school nila. Pwede ko ba kayong makasama sa vlog?
Okay lang po.
So, kumusta yung school niyo ngayong second week?
Okay lang po.
Number 2. Respect intellectual property. Always give credit for the work of others. Avoid plagiarism. Always put a credit when you are copying the idea of their work. Example, a group of friends created a video and you approach one of them, telling her that the video is good, but she gave credit that her friend are actually created a video.
Pagkaka-edit natin, no?
Oo nga eh. Sab, ang ganda naman ng pagkaka-edit mo.
Hindi ako na nag-edit yan. Sila Alin kapatid yung nag-edit yan.
Kayo pala?
Oo.
Pina-credits mo sila. The next is unethical. When we say unethical, it describes behaviors that go against moral principle or standards of right conduct. This is the opposite of ethical. The number 1 example is misinformation and deepfakes. The creation and rapid distribution of manipulated media, propaganda, and fake news intended to deceive the public or damage reputation. Example, spreading someone else's information because they had arguments and they created a way to ruin their image on social media. This is also called cyberbullying.
Alilin, totoo ba tong post niya? Yung pangit naman yan. Ano yan? Ang pangit ng mukha. Alala naman. Ang pangit na nga eh. Ang pangit na.
Number 2. Use of AI. Artificial intelligence certainly offers great business potential, but some others are using it in a bad way. Example, when the students are taking exam and they didn't know what the answer, so they are using for cheating, and it's unfair for others who are reviewing just to get good grades.
Wala, ang hirap naman ng exam. Wala itong nireview ko.
Ang dali lang kaya.
Oo, gumamit lang nga kami ng AI.
In summary, the video shows the ethical and unethical behavior and providing example of each. Ethical behavior includes respecting privacy by obtaining consent before sharing personal information and acknowledging intellectual property to avoid plagiarism. In contrast, unethical behavior is characterized by action that violate moral standards, such as spreading misinformation through deepfakes and using AI unethically, like cheating during exam. This concept highlights the importance of moral conduct in various contexts. That's all.